Thank you very much. Please sit down. Please. Thank you. Good afternoon in the house. Because I say in the house because I believe we are just family and we are having a family deliberation here. May I just seize this opportunity to apologize for our lateness to start this program behind our scheduled time. I want to seek indulgence to stand on the well-established protocols and appreciate the friends of the Iyaloja General. Appreciate the conveners and all the friends here gathered and all the presenters, the teachers, our lecturers.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the impact. It's very, very educative this afternoon, and we've learned one or two things. We will take it home, especially when it has to do with advocacy. May I just say to our people, our time is not wasted sitting here for about how many hours? It is very important for us to disseminate the information and take it down. Let all the information gathered here today be useful for our people. We're not just here to celebrate each other. We are here to impart. And, information is power. We have gotten some information